What I really loved about Speedy Sebbies Outride number 2 was how determined the guys were to carry on riding in the rain. You know, that awesome sense of adventure. In the rain, everything changes. For one, you're going to get very, very wet. But you also have to remain a lot more present. We rolled into Kitty Hawk, jackets dripping, everyone grinning. Coffee was hot, breakfast was delicious, planes landing right there in front of us. Couldn't ask for more. Thanks everybody, you made it a great day out. Next ride, a lot longer, I promise. Oh yeah.